This safety filter on my laser has been causing me some grief. While trying to add this graphic to a completed flex box, I had everything set up so that it would clear this latch because I was etching this after I built it. Well, when I actually did the burn, the filter was down and it kept hitting the latch and moving the box, and it destroyed my burn all the way over onto the hinge. Then while making a completely new box, while cutting the perimeter of this out, it got to here and it caught somehow on the edge and did some weird movement and started cutting up and over. Fortunately, I was nearby. I caught that, stopped it. And how do you restart a burn like this and get everything lined up perfectly? We have LightBurn's print and cut feature. I'm making this one for my brother.